Fried insects are considered delicacies in many cultures, but ant sauce? That's something new. During the April to June season, thousands of Colombian farmers collect giant ants, named alones, cook them and sell them as a traditional exotic dish. The ants are roasted in big bowls, bagged and shipped to stores around the country. Some people eat the roasted ants, known as culinas, as snacks, while others use them to make a special sauce that goes great with potato chips. To me, this looks almost as tasty as the Chinese fried insects menu.